What's going on, everyone? So we are back today on another boat renovation episode. So you've seen so far what we've been at. We've got the boat cleaned out. We got all the floorboards for the front deck and also bottom four, which is behind the camera right now. They've all been cut. They've all been water sealed. And well, now they're ready to have the carpet put down on them. So we've got the boat pushed out of the garage and we got the whole space here to work with. But I'm going to bring you along with me as we kind of get the carpet put down and all that good stuff. So let's get started and get the stuff done. Alright, so what we got to do is we got the bottom deck of the boat right here. And then we got carpet adhesive right here. This is marine grade. Then for our tools today, we got two trowels. One's a little bit bigger, and then one's a little bit smaller for like sides and stuff. That's what we're going to be using to put the adhesive down and then get the carpet on it. Once we get the carpet kind of down, we'll wrap it under just a little bit, and then we'll use the staple gun to secure it underneath for extra security. But let's get this started because I want to get the carpet on this. That's the part I've actually been looking forward to the most, and I'm kind of excited about it. So let's get this started and see what we can get done. Here's the carpet we got for the boat. I went with the standard gray just because I think that would look better to me. I did toy around with a few other colors, but ultimately I went with the gray. Oh God! No! No! So I actually hit the light above this, and there's a lot of dust on it. It's all falling on this board I just cleaned. Alright, let's do this. Yeah. Alright guys, so I got the bottom deck unglued. I got the carpet on it. So that's got to sit and cure for a while. Probably be, I think 2 or 3 days what needs professionally. I think 24 hours is okay, but for it to really get done, it needs, I think it says 72 hours, so 3 days. So we're gonna let that dry and cure, and then we'll get started on getting the carpet on the front deck board and let that set and cure as well. And then we'll work on getting the carpet into the sides of the boats before they can be ready to go. But let's work on the deck board now because I want to get those pieces done first. That way they can start curing and getting settled for now. So let's do that and let's roll. Alright, so time to begin the front deck board. This board's a little bit different because of how odd it's shaped, or how oddly it is shaped. There we go. So we're going to have to kind of cut this, see what we can do to make it work. Got it. So got this one on there, and we're going to let this cure as well. Again, it's going to take a couple days probably for it to get to the point where we can actually work with it. So we're going to let it cure for a couple days, and then we'll come back and staple the underside and get it ready to go into the boat. So what we're going to do now is we're actually going to work on getting the carpet in to the sides of the boat and all that good stuff. Yeah, I've like glued myself, bro. That's bad. Alright, so the next thing I gotta do is I gotta cut the carpet strips that go on the side of the boat. So I've got those measured out. I know what they gotta be cut to. So I'm gonna get those strips now. I'm almost out of carpet, so I'm definitely gonna have to go get more carpet. I knew I didn't get enough, but I knew I was just gonna get enough to work with for now, and then go get whatever I need later. So but we're gonna go ahead and get the size cut. I think I have enough to do that, and then hopefully get those put in. Alright, so I got the piece of carpet cut for this side. It actually fits pretty good, so yay. So now comes the very difficult part. So I've got to get the glue onto the side of this, which is not going to be easy any bit. And then I got somehow get this carpet on here without screwing it up. So I suck at this kind of stuff. So I don't have a lot of confidence here, but I'm going to try my best, make sure I don't screw this up. So basically what it's going to do is going to glue flat there, kind of go in a little bit right there on that lip, and then come up. I think what I'm going to focus on today is just getting the flat surface glued, because if I try to bend it down in there, it's just going to pull it off that glue. So I think I got to wait for it to cure before I try to pinch it down in there. I think that's my best bet, because again, try not to screw this up, trying to get done on one try is my goal. So let's try to get the glue in here, and hopefully this works. If you notice, I'm actually applying a lot of glue, or a lot of extra glue compared to what I did on the boards, just because this is a vertical surface, which means it's going to need a little bit of extra oomph to kind of hold it. So this is definitely the tricky part. So I cannot screw this up. Alright everyone, that is going to wrap it up for today's video. We got quite a bit done today. I know it may not seem like it, but we did. We got the bottom floor adhesive carpeted, got the front deck adhesive carpeted, and we got one side of the boat adhesive like 75% of the way. But that's going to wrap it up, because for one, it's sun's going down, so I'm out, pretty much out of daylight. Two, I'm out of carpet except for a little bit, and so I'm about to go get more carpet, and I gotta go get more adhesive as well. And then I gotta wait for this all to kind of cure and settle anyways, so I gotta give it a couple days regardless. But that's gonna wrap it up for today, guys. I hope you're enjoying the boat series so far. If you are, all you gotta do is drop a thumbs up on the video. Leave some comments if you want. Tell me what I'm doing wrong, because I definitely know I'm doing something wrong. Again, I'm not good at this stuff, so tell me how bad I suck. Or if you want to be nice and tell me you're doing a good job, I'll take that too. But it's all good. I'm having a good time doing this boat. Again, I'm not an expert, but I'm enjoying it. So if you're like anyone to watch any of our other stuff, we got magnet fishing, we got geocaching, kayaking, you name it. If you want to do that, hit that subscribe button. That way you stay up to date to our videos, and go watch some of our other videos as well. But I'm gonna close it out here, guys. Until next time, keep it real.